moment from now, this house is going down. This house is going down any moment from now. Just 2 hours to clear your property. Look at people. Look at people's properties. Look at people's properties. Just look at. Everybody's rushing out. 2 hours to bring down this mansion. 2 hours. This is unbelievable. Look at, and someone just paid 1.7M and moved into this house not up to a month. Just look at this mansion. You want to raise down this building now. 2 hours to take out your properties. You can't believe this. Look at people's properties outside. Look at. 2 hours to move out of this house. 2 hours. This mansion. Just look at. Just just look at 2 hours to move out. 2 hours to move out their property, and this mansion is going down. This building is going down right now. Oh God. Oh God.